Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you one healthy recipe which is made from legumes. Not legumes, it's one legume, that is moong dal. This is half katori moong dal. I washed in 2-3 waters and soaked it overnight. Minimum 4 to 5 hours will also work. Okay. And then now in the morning again I washed in 2-3 waters and have drained the water. Now I will be first making a coarse paste of this. So for that I'll be taking one green chili. Now if you like more spicy you can add more. Then very little ginger, very little, but so much ginger. Okay, that's all. And then into that I'll be adding 3 garlic pods or 3 garlic cloves. Okay, along with this I will be adding 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, then half teaspoon coriander powder, then I'll be adding half teaspoon roasted ginger powder, and just for the sake of taste to give it a good taste, I'll be adding just a pinch, that is just so much, 1/4 teaspoon, not even 1/4, less than 1/4. I'm taking black salt. This is just for the taste. Okay, and then along with this I will be adding garam masala. Garam masala also again half teaspoon. So much. That's all. These are the spices that I will be adding into the dal. For the sandwich I'll be making it a toast. Masala moong dal veggie toast. Now into this I will be adding this dal and I will grind it to the paste. Okay, not very fine but without water. If required then only you have to add water, but there shouldn't be any water into this. Okay, so I'll first grind this and I'll show you. See, this is how I have coarsely grinded the dal to the paste. This is without water. I haven't added any water. Now to this, into this I have taken one teaspoon salt, so much, little bit hipped. Okay, or you can adjust the salt according to your taste. Now into this I will be adding, for digestion, just a pinch of asafoetida. That's all, 1/4 teaspoon. Now into this I will be adding the veggies, since I have said that I'll be making masala moong veggie toast. So I'm adding one small capsicum which is finely chopped. This is for crunchiness as well as for the color. Then I'm adding half the onion or one small onion finely chopped. Okay, now into this, for only color's sake, I'm adding one small tomato, pulp removed. Do not add pulp, otherwise it will be watery. And some handful of fresh coriander finely chopped. Okay, and then I'm going to mix it all together. Now since I'm making a toast, it should be crunchy. So to give it a body and the crunchiness, I'm going to add half teaspoon of rava. You can also add breadcrumb, okay, but that too half tablespoon. This is tablespoon, so I'm going to take half. That's all, so much. Okay, and I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to allow it to rest for 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, it's going to soak the entire water that is present in the dal, and then if required, we will add water if required. Okay, so this is what is my solution, or the mixture is ready of the toast. I will put a cover over it and I'm going to rest it for 10 minutes. Now this is, I have allowed it to rest for 10 minutes. Now I have added black salt to give it a tandoor taste. That is why I have added black salt, otherwise there is no need. Okay, now into this, in order to make it airy or bubbly, I'm going to add fruit salt or Eno, half teaspoon. So much. Okay, and immediately you mix it. Little water, not required actually. That's all. Just to activate it and mix it in one direction. See, the solution has become fluffy. Now we'll start making the toast. Okay, now I will take little oil. This is non-stick pan. Very little oil is required. Half the ladle of oil. Okay, and I will put the gas flame on the high. Okay, till then I will prepare the bread. Now here I will take 2 slices, and into this I am going to apply this mixture. Spread it evenly. Okay, even if you are applying more, it's not going to affect it at all. It is going to taste awesome. Okay, so this is how. And the second one. Okay, take a little bit more on the top. Okay, I will put the flame on a lower middle, and for decoration or for the look sake, I'm adding beetroot. I have taken raw beetroot and I have I crushed it, grated it with the this size. See, this is the size with which I have grated this beetroot. Just a very small portion of it, and I'm just simply going to add it, just 2-3 strings like this. That's all. And with the spoon I will press it down so that it gets stuck to the mixture. Okay, now the pan is heated. I'm just going to put this side down. Okay, this side down. Now wait for a minute or two, and then you can, using a spatula, you can move and you will allow it to roast. You have to roast it from both the sides, this side also and this side also, with very little oil. So thus it becomes a very healthy nashta. So I'll prepare this and I'll show you. See, this is how I have roasted from both the sides. This is from the top and this is from the bottom. Okay, and first you keep it for 2 minutes, like this will happen. Then using this spatula you can turn it, flip it over. Okay, now if you like my recipe, click on to the thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends. This is how my masala moong veggie toast is ready, and it is to be served with green chutney or tomato sauce or any other, even you can use mayo also will do. Okay, but you try and make this recipe. This is very healthy recipe with minimal oil. So this is very healthy and there are lots of vegetables into this. So this is very healthy, protein rich. Okay, thank you.